Hello guys, welcome to another video and I'm your Muhammad Yunus, and in today's video we are going to see the unboxing of Yuxin Cloud 5x5 Cube, and according to Cube Lelo the MRP is 1299, but you will get it for around 570 rupees in Amazon sale right now. So go fast and buy in Amazon, okay? And it's a 5x5 cube, so now let's unbox it in Cube Solfero style. Okay, so here's a quick guide. Then so Cube Lelo is like, thank you for the purchase, happy and happy. Here is so sweet of Cube Lelo. So you can follow Cube Lelo on Instagram. And here is a cube. Basically this is my first 5x5 cube, so I need to learn a little bit, but I know how to solve a 4x4. So let's just do some basic turns. And I bought this cube on belief of jperm. He recommended this cube, so I went after it. So let's see, phase 2. And oh my god, this is too damn smooth. This cube is smooth AF. Okay, so this was the Yuxin Cloud 5x5 cube. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be updated on the next videos. So until then, tada, bye bye, peace.